Alright guys, welcome back to a new Slick2D episode. In this episode, we're making items. So, last time, we made an inventory, but now we need to make an item. So, we're going to say if you press key down, where is key down? Or what are we doing? Where's our pressing button to get the inventory? So, instead of adding it to the inventory, I'm actually going to copy this right here. But, we're just going to run something called, in a method called inventory dot item 1. We're just going to run that method. That method doesn't exist yet, but we're going to put that in inventory, I think. Yeah, we'll put it in inventory. So inside inventory, we're going to create item 1. And we're going to actually make this a public void, because it's not going to have to return anything. Might have to make that static. Does that want to be static? It does want to be static, so we do need to make it static. First of all, we're going to add item 1 to the list. So what we're going to do is we're going to say if item 1 is equal to false. Okay, so what we're doing, we're gonna check something called item 1. No, we're gonna call item 1 added. We're gonna say if item 1 added, which we'll actually put up here. So we'll say up here we're gonna make a list. So item is equal to false. So if item 1 added is equal to false, this is actually going to be a boolean. So if boolean item 1 added is equal to false, why is something wrong with that now? Change static. Okay, sorry. So if it's equal to false, then we're going to add the item name. Wait, I'm trying to think now. Can we put... Well, let me check something really quick. Can we add a method? I'm guessing not, but let's test this. Item 1. I'm trying to think here, because right now, how we have it... Okay, so if it's false, then we're just going to add the item 1. Right now, we're not going to have multiple items. But if item 1 added is equal to true, then we're just going to... Let's just do a system.out.println. And we're just going to say in here, item 1 is already added. But, okay, so if it's false, then we're going to add it, and then we're going to set item 1 added equal to true, so that way it can't do it again. Now, did I actually set this wrong? Yeah, that can't be there. That has to be here. No, wait, I'm confused. No. Okay, so put that there, make one there, and there we go. Wait, what is this? Oh. So if item 1 added is equal to true, then it's going to say that. So now what's going to happen is, let's get rid of building 1. We don't need building 1 right now. So if you press P, it's going to run the method right here. So yeah, let's try that now. Then we'll continue with our items a little bit more. So we open our inventory. Now we hit P, adds item 1. But we hit P again, and it's not adding it, because if we look on our console down here, item 1 is already added. Hold on a second. Now that I think about it, I know how we can do this. we'll say item 1 plus, and we're going to call this maybe like amount. And we are going to set this out here. So static int amount is equal to 0 when you start off. So we do amount plus plus. I don't think this is going to work, but we're going to try this really quickly. So if it is just going to add the amount plus plus. Let me try this really quick. So now, P, item 1, 1. No, that does not work. Okay, well, we tried. I'll think about that and have to show you how to do that. Oh, I know how to do that. We can put it in the update method. But okay, we're not doing that right now. We're just have a one item. But now items can have properties, right? So what we can do is we can actually make these off of a main class. So we can set this to be item 1, right? But item 1 is going to have properties. And think about how we're going to do this now. So as you see, that works. So you can add your little IDs in here and stuff. So item 1 can have like an ID is equal to 0. But we'll work on that later. Right now I just want to make a basic item in the inventory. So yeah, thanks for watching.